catwalk ပုံစံကကျမနဲ့ light တဲ့ပုံစံတွေကသူတို့တင်ပေးထားတယ်ဆို catwalk ပုံစံ3မျိုးကတင်ပေးထားတယ်ပထမဆုံးက Thai catwalk ကဘယ်လိုရှောက်ရတယ်လဲပြီးရင်နောက်တစ်ခုက Latin American က catwalk ကဘယ်လိုရှောက်ရပြီးရင်နောက်ဆုံးကကျမကိုယ်ပါက style ကိုသူတို့ထည့်ပေးတင်ပေးထားတာ so I feel like I have good luggage with me and I can now perform whichever that fits for the occasion. Dinika, it was the crowning moment for Miss Earth, Miss Supranational, and the other crowns for within the Miss Universe organization. Of course, it's very exciting. It's very exciting. It's gonna be now in November, so it's not too far left, I believe so. I have been practicing my catwalk, as you know. I've been to Bangkok and practicing. And I am every day practicing on my speech and how to represent Myanmar on the international stage. I felt there was so much to learn, and I believe that I'm always on the learning curve. I believe that I can always improve and become better. So I have my coach Ping from Muse. I want to say thank you very much for teaching me all your skills. He's such an amazing teacher because I really believe that I improved my walk within 1.5 weeks, 2 weeks actually. So he's such a great teacher. I'm so thankful for him. I practice a lot. Honestly, so I listen to my fans. But they all not on get what training or so I did a little research and where I wanted to do my practice, and I contacted this school because I really like Antonia Porsilt, who was Miss Universe Thailand last year, and I saw how she changed her walk. And I felt that I wanted to do the same. So I contacted them and I did the practice for a week. And then after that, Muse Jaonga, they actually offered to help me out a little more. So I got to practice even more. So I'm so thankful for that. I believe that it gives a more feminine look and a more strong walk, which is quite essential for when doing the stage performance, right? And also the catwalk that I learned now, it is not a catwalk copied from someone else. The catwalk ပုံစံကကျမနဲ့ light တဲ့ပုံစံတွေကသူတို့တင်ပေးထားတယ်ဆို catwalk ပုံစံ3မျိုးကတင်ပေးထားတယ်ပထမဆုံးက Thai catwalk ကဘယ်လိုရှောက်ရတယ်လဲပြီးရင်နောက်တစ်ခုက Latin American က catwalk ကဘယ်လိုရှောက်ရပြီးရင်နောက်ဆုံးကကျမကိုယ်ပါက style ကိုသူတို့ထည့်ပေးတင်ပေးထားတာ so I feel like I have good luggage with me and I can now perform whichever that fits for the occasion. It's style ကကြိုက်ဆုံး I believe yes because it is of course it's more personal. But I do like the Latin walk. It's like လမ်းလျှောက်ရင်ဆိုမွေလိုလမ်းလျှောက်တာတော်တော်လှတယ်အခုအရင်တော့ကကျွန်မမတ်တရက်တဲ့ပုံစံကပြောင်းသွားတယ်မတ်တရက်တဲ့ပုံစံကအလုံးဝပြောင်းသွားတော့ဟိုတနေ့ကကျွန်မက gym trainer ကတွေ့ gym trainer ပြောတယ်အော်ဘူးတက်ဆန်ကအရင်တော့က split လုပ်လို့ရတယ်မအခုအသိလုပ်လို့မရတော့ဘူးဘာဖြစ်လို့လဲဆို my posture ကပြောင်းသွားလို့so အစရပြန်လေ့ကျင့်ရလဲ split ကိုလုပ်လို့ရတယ်လို့မျိုး so I learned a lot and I believe my posture got better လမ်းလျှောက်တာလည်းပိုလှသွားတယ် it was to practice my posture ကိုအဲ့လိုတနေ့ကုန်ရက်ပြီးရင်မတက်ရက်နေဆိုတော့ကြောကနာတယ်ဒါပေမဲ့I feel it was a good pain because I believe like nine is okay I did something to keep me low tired but nine oh baba I'm low tired bro me can't say and then I muscle တွေကရောင်နာနေတာဆိုကောင်းတယ်အဲ့ကျွန်မစူးစမ်းထားတာပေါ့ကျမက तू ခန္ဓာကိုယ်ကလည်းလှတယ် तू she stayed in the shape she wanted to be and how transformative her walk was from before until she was on Miss Universe stage. I found that very inspiring, and she also had her advocacy project where she helped people from the rural areas for over 10 years before she joined Miss Universe. Tinaga, she's a very inspirational woman, but I believe that I myself is my own person, and my road is different, and it's my choice to walk my road. So for Thailand, Thai နိုင်ငံထဲမှာအဲ့လိုရောထားတဲ့ make လေးတာအရင်တော့အများကြီးရှိဘူးတယ်။ဒါပေမဲ့ကျွန်မကအခုမြန်မာနိုင်ငံကပထမဆုံးဖြစ်လို့ဆိုတာ my road is different. So I'm very excited to walk this road and see where it takes me. Thai မှာအဲ့လိုမျိုးကပြားလေးတော်များတယ်။ဒါပေမဲ့ကျွန်မ make လေးနဲ့တွေ့ရင်ကျွန်မကပြားဖြစ်တာသူတို့ချက်ချင်းသိတယ်။ and သူတို့ကျွန်မမေးလိုက်ရင်ဆို what's your other half ချက်ချင်းပဲမေးတယ်။အဲ့လိုဘယ်ကလာတာလဲဘယ်နဲ့က what's your other half oh so သူတို့က maybe they thought maybe I might be half Thai, but I said I'm Myanmar and Swedish. And they're like, oh wow. I was like, yes, but I feel more at heart more Myanmar. I feel more connected to Myanmar. So when someone just asks me, oh, where are you from? Myanmar. I mean, there might always be space for a little error, like even the best. But I believe if you give your best and I practice my walk, and I feel it will go well. I'm practicing everything I can in every aspect for my performance, for my advocacy, and my speech, and also how to show off Myanmar on the international stage. So I believe that if I can fix all that, I think that could be the crown. Jizuba.